Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For this video, I'm gonna show you another ice candy recipe. Please stay tuned and watch the video till the end. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's start. In a bowl, beat the Kremdensada. It should be chilled before doing the process, because we will achieve the creaminess and smoothness of our ice candy. There's no need to add cornstarch. No need to add sugar because it's already sweet. Add condensed cream or chocolate flavor 390 grams. Evaporated milk 370 ml 380 g. Mix until fully incorporated. Add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Mix it again. Add 1 glass of water. Peanut and marshmallow. Cut the marshmallow into 4 pieces. Insert the funnel into the ice candy bag and add the peanut and marshmallow together. Close tightly. Just repeat the process until you're done.
And we're done.
Freeze it overnight. I hope you like this video. We will do a taste test. Smooth and creamy like ice cream. Thank you for watching.
Bye-bye.